Hey, my name is Wesley Smith with Tree Service Digital, and we're a full service internet marketing agency for the tree service contractor space. Well, I joined the seven figure agency basically because I have a general agency serving, a vast, variety of different types of niches out there, whether it be contractors or attorneys, et cetera. And I always knew that niching down was the best way to go. And after I started kind of really researching how to niche down, who to go with as far as, teach how to just do everything that you can for the one niche as far as, like your agency website, your marketing efforts, your testimonials and case studies, everything catered to that one niche with getting good results. I knew that was going to be the way to go to grow faster. And I just, came across the seven figure agency stuff through Josh and a bunch of your marketing on the internet. And I figured, well, if he's getting my attention this often, then I'm sure I'll be able to do the same thing to get clients myself. And so we kind of hit a bottleneck with our agency as far as like how far we can go and just a revolving door of clients coming in and clients going out. And so I knew the answer was to niche down. And so the next step was kind of to figure out the niche. And I think that was about the same time I joined, was once I figured out what niche it was going to be. And so from there, it's just been, implementation and starting to reap the benefit. Well, the impact has been tremendous, since starting the program. I mean, the first couple of months, is more of an implementation process and, drinking from the fire hose, knowing every little step and every little system and asset you need to put in place in order to attract the right types of clients. But once you do, you've got a steady stream of appointments coming in. And then from there, you're going to, close a certain percentage of those clients. And then some of them are going to come back later that didn't move forward with you before. But we were running, mainly just a general agency before. And we had a couple of niche clients, but I really wasn't marketing to that particular niche of business owners. And so once implementing everything in the seven figure agency, it just made it more concise, and you're focusing your efforts on one specific type of business owner that's going to resonate with your message, your marketing and your case studies, because they're in the same business, just in a different area usually. And so it's been great. I mean, it took probably 4 to 6 months of just really implementing everything. And I was already getting appointments and strategy sessions, for my niche clients right away. But the real takeoff has been the past 3 or 4 months. After 4 to 6 months in the program, of just really staying dialed in, staying focused on my niche, doing the email marketing and the follow-up marketing, and just implementing each little step in the process. Again, you can't do it all in 1 month when you first join. It's going to take several months of implementation and just staying focused on it and staying diligent with the fact that this is the way to go. And so we've went from probably 3 or 4, maybe 5 niche clients up to about 15 niche clients. As far as revenue goes, I would have to kind of punch the numbers on the revenue, but the general agency is still there somewhat. It's starting to kind of fall off a little bit, but the niche agency has really taken off since implementing all the things in the seven figure agency process. The personal impact has been really good. I mean, you kind of just, once you start implementing these tactics and these strategies and techniques for the seven figure agency, you kind of have a proven blueprint and roadmap. So it's not like you're waking up every day trying to figure out something else to do to get your niche clients' attention. You kind of already know. It's already in the training, step by step, 1 through 5, exactly how to put the thing in place. And if you can't get it done yourself, you just don't really have the time, then you've got somebody else in the group that will help you with the tech part, And so I think it's just really just the peace of mind of knowing that you've got a roadmap, a blueprint, step 1 through 20. Implement all these steps, do all of these things, get your clients good results, and you're going to get referrals. You're going to grow your business. So it's been really good just not flying blind and trying to figure out, what the next shiny object is. I mean, you've got everything in the training that you need to grow your agency and to grow it pretty fast. It's just you can't give up in the first month or two. You've got to keep at it and stay with it, is what I've learned, and just stay focused on the niche and all the asset building. The trade shows have been a little bit tough with the COVID-19 for me. I had a lot of trade shows scheduled, but had to put those off. But the impact has been really good. The income is increasing because clients and onboarding and different things like that are coming in more often. And your ability to land clients increases when you niche down. So it's been really good. Yeah, I would say, if you're on the fence about joining some kind of marketing group or coaching group, I've been in several. I've been in probably 6 or 8 different online marketing groups, and some of them I've got some great value from. But they're more of just a one-time, you get access to the training and then you're in the group and it's kind of dormant. There's not a whole lot of activity. with a seven-figure agency, I mean, every day people are posting, answering questions, kind of being interactive. And so you want to be in a group and in a room of people that are doing what you're doing or aspire to do what you're doing. And so what's really good about the seven-figure agency is there's other members in the group. They're at various stages of their agency. You've got some people getting started, some people in the middle stages, other people that are in high growth and already doing seven figures. So it's really refreshing to be in a group where you can interact with those types of individuals who are running agencies that you want to run, just like what you want to do. And so by getting into the group, you're going to have all the answers to all your questions as far as like, who to hire next, what systems to put into place to manage your clients, when to hire an account manager, how to hire, everything. There's really nothing left to chance inside the group because the people in the group, and Josh, for example, is running a multiple seven-figure agency. So they know what to do. They've already been down that road. So why try to do it alone? You might as well join and get all the answers to your questions and shorten your learning curve and grow your agency quickly. So I would say definitely 2 thumbs up and join if you really have a niche and want to explode in that niche.